The paper bill is one essential component of a typewriter. It helps to hold the paper close to the platen to ensure quieter operation and sharper typewriter prints. Have a listen at this typing sample, one with the paper bill removed and one with the paper bill in place. What I like about this part of the typewriter is the amount of variation in its design. We got the standard paper bill that works like this. Two rollers on a metal rod, lift it up to feed the paper underneath it, and then put it down once the paper is placed correctly. This is the standard two-position paper bill. One position to hold the paper in place, and the second position is used for corrections or for loading and unloading the paper out of the typewriter. Earlier in the typewriter's history, you could see that many companies created innovations to this single paper bill design. One such innovation is known as the three-position paper bill. The design is not unique to any one company, but one company that I think loves to show this feature off is the Royal Typewriter Company. Take a look at this typewriter user manual. Note how the paper bill slightly irons out the paper, quietening your typing and ensuring correct alignment of the typing line. Personally, even in slow motion through my observation, I don't see any ironing effect when I use this paper bill. I just see the paper bill slam the paper towards the platen. But the three-position paper bill does offer a very convenient design as compared to the two-position one. No lifting is required, simply just pull the paper bill forward, load the paper, then push it back. Lift it up only if you need to do corrections or to load and unload paper. Later on, however, as typewriter manufacturers are looking for ways to reduce costs to stay competitive, the paper bill often is the design that is the first thing to go. Instead of having two rubber rollers, let's just use a single plastic bar to hold the paper down, so it saves on the number of parts that's required for the typewriter. Or better yet, let the lid of the typewriter itself become the paper bill. Yeah, you can see how the manufacturers boil it down to its bare essentials only at the later part of the typewriter designs. Still though, it is quite fascinating how this one particular part can have so many variations throughout the typewriter's lifespan.